Ito yung biggest misconception ng karamihan ng mga tao, especially ng mga Filipino. They say, you need millions just to purchase a property. And that's the biggest misconception na narinig ko. Yes, of course, ang cost ng mga property dito sa Philippines ngayong 2025 is mahal na talaga. Because each year, tumataas ang value ng mga property. And this 2025, I totally agree na mahal na talaga yung mga properties ngayon dito sa Philippines. But you don't need millions just to buy your own property. Share ko lang sa inyo really quick si Ayala. Ayala is known sa pagiging flexible niya when it comes to payment term. Ayala is known for having a good big discounts. We're talking about million peso and a very good monthly amortization. So when it comes sa misconception na kailangan mo ng millions para makabili lang ng isang property, nagkakamali ka dyan. Because with Ayala, you can buy your own dream property. DME payment term para masend ko sa iyo lahat ng mga projects ni Ayala na may flexible monthly amortization.